Ngiyanibingelela nonke nibukela le video. I-video yethu it's about work energy and power. I-diagram le abasinike yona, then nama-questions amabili. Then then siqale la bathi sizofunda yonke information la basinikeze yona. Then bathi an experiment, bekwenziwa i-experiment, bathi a rough inclined plane eqr. Then uPQR sizombheka nangu QR bathi uRAF, then ku-RAF then ku-QR, then has been constructed to stop a moving 5 kg block. Bathi le RAF incline ikhandelwe ukuthi ngoba i-RAF yenzelwa ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ivimbe ilo 5 kg block mayehamba la akwazi ukuthi agcine sefika lapha ekuthiwa khona semile. Then yiko besho ukuthi i-constructele ukuthi istophe u5 kg. Base bethi the block reaches point Q with the speed of 9.90 meters per second. U5 kg block bathi ufika la ku point Q ngale speed esingaka. Ispeed anaso la ku point Q i5 kg block yilesi. Base bethi the block comes to a stop at point R. Okay, shuthi la then i-velocity yalo i-block isuke seyimile, isuke seyilingana no-0 meters per second. Ngenxa yefiso zabade bezikhandele kona ukuthi ibe-rough lento. Then basitshela ukuthi malifika la lisuke lifike lime la i-block. Then base bethi the block comes to stop at point R, which is 3 meters above level QP. Then bathi iyama la iblock yethu, then ezimileke i-vertical height la isuke iwu-3 meters. Then ngoba besi-indicateile la 3 meters, base bethi the frictional force between the surface QR and the block is 18 newtons. Between the surface uQR, i-frictional force itholakala khona u-18 newton between i-surface and i-block zilikhuphuka. Question yokuqala ibe seyithi-ke konke abakuvezelile la baveza ne-angle la, then buka nje base bethi define the non-conservative force. So define non-conservative force as a force which its work done in moving an object from one point to another point is dependent to the path taken. Then we define kanjalo. Base bethi question yethu kuyogcina ithi use energy principles to calculate the angle theta of slope QR. Nangu slope QR bathi user energy principle ucalculate le angle le. Then into esinikezwe yona yipi? Mabethi asebenzise ama-energy principle, sibenza ama-formula energy elo ale topic kuphela. Then iwona ama-formula leyo ukuze sidetermine le angle. Shuthi i-formula esizoyikhetha kumele ibe nayo le angle somewhere somehow. Shuthi ama-formula esinawo thina imaphi? Or just ukuthi ama-formula esinawo sine-formula ethi work done by non-conservative force change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy. Kube nethi ilawa ama-formula esinawo esingawasebenzisa la. Okay, kube enye yani ye-mechanical energy. Then it's mechanical energy before is equal to mechanical energy after. Then le apply if i-system yethu injani i-isolated, then kusho ukuthini i-apply if there are no non-conservative forces. Since kunama non-conservative forces kukhona non-conservative force i-frictional force, kusho ukuthi le formula le ngesikwazi ukuyisebenzisa during ama-calculation. Le i-apply yonke indawo le. Then le i-apply if kune non-conservative force. Kusho ukuthi i-formula esingayikhetha manje phakathi kwalawa nalawa iyona esingayisebenzisa. Kodwa sekubhekayo ukuthini sifuna i-angle theta. Kusho ukuthi sizothatha i-formula efaka u-angle theta, then Mawubheka le work done by non-conservative force kuzoba i-work done by friction. U-friction simnikeziwe. Then akukho la kungena khona u-theta la. Mawuza la work net khona ngithi uzofaka i-work net kuzoba i-work done by i-gravitational force ehamba kanje FG parallel ne-work done by i-frictional force futhi. Then from i-Freeport diagram ekanje. Since object yethu iyakhuphuka, then i-frictional force izo-oppose i-motion, shuthi i-frictional force. Then kube nani no FG parallel. Angithi uyambona ukuthi uyanjani, uya downward since i-gravitational force always acts downward. Ila ma-force kuphela actayo along the incline. Then mawayeka lawa o-FG perpendicular sifaka la ma-forces lawa i-object ihambela ngakhona. Esingayibiza ngama-z-axis lo line lo yiwo-ke ama-forces siwafakayo along ama-z-axis. Kushuthi kuzongena work done by frictional force, kungene i-work done by i-gravitational force parallel. Ithini i-formula? Ithi mg sin theta. Nangu lo theta kukhulunywa ngayo, ngithi lo theta ilo incline. Kushuthi le formula le lezofaka i-work done by FG parallel iyona esisebenzisa. Yiphi-ke? Ile lena ayimfaki, ifaka lo FK kuphela. Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi sithatha le formula then siya substitute konke esinakho. Work net kuzoba yini? Work done by FG parallel plus work done by i-frictional force. Ama-forces a-actayo lawo along kanje. Kahle kahle i-Freeport diagram yethu ibingaba kanjani? Ibingaba kanje. Since kukanje, then sidweba from this point to this point. So consider le part le because sisitshela ngalutho la ukuthi kwenzakalani. Information le esinayo sino-velocity la nela. Futhi i-Freeport diagram ezila ku-incline kunani? Kuno weight acta downward. Kube nobani? I-surface ethi ihamba kanje, angithi ihamba kanje. U-normal force uzo-acta perpendicular to i-incline. Bese kuba yini? I-frictional object angithi iyakhuphuka. Frictional force uzokwenza kanje. I-frictional force oppose i-motion. Ayikho i-force ekhuphula le object, iyayihambela. Basho ngokuthi ku-apply. Kushuthi i-weight yethu ibe si-divide two components. Kuba i-component siyibiza ngokuthi u-FG weight perpendicular to i-surface. Bese siba nani? Yabo ukuthi iya downward. Weight parallel nayo uzokwenza njani? Uzoya downward, down nayo ground phela uzoya la ngekaye phezulu. Shuthi FG parallel yiko ngifakela ama-forces lawo wethu along ilokhu njani i-direction la ilo incline. Then yiyo-ke work done izokhandwa la ma-forces wethu le. Okay, shuthi ngase sifake lena seyizophuma. Then kusele lawo 3. Shuthi le nale force le awayenzi object ukuthi imove upward or ibone ngathi seyicindezela kakhulu la then seyisithela phansi object. Kusho ukuthi i-work done by le force lama force wethu ayikho, ilingana no-0. Awayenzi ukuthi object imove ukuthi sibone seyiphakama or seyehla. Futhi ama-force ilawo mabili. Sino-work done by frictional force is equal to change in kinetic energy le isi-representa kanje. Then sisi-substitute ukuthi i-necessary work done by FG parallel. Ithi work done by FG parallel. Ithi FG parallel times change in x cos theta. Then FG parallel ulingana nobani? No mg sin theta. Then change in x cos theta ilo FG parallel then work done. Shuthi sizothi-ke i-mass substitute i-mass bathi 5 kg. Shuthi kuzoba 5 times 9.8 sin u-Fg lo ubani i-mass u-Fg force in-Newton Fg angithi ithini ithi force times change in x. Then imuphi-ke lo theta lo kukhulunywa ngayo la. Lo theta angithi kusewowe lokhu njani owe gravitational force parallel. U-theta usuke engena-ke kuma component kusuke kuyilo theta lo kushuthi ilo theta lo ongenayo. Then bese iyaqhubeka-ke ithi u-change in x wethu ubani ilo u-change in x ilo asinaye ku-change in x kodwa uma ubheka ungamthola kanjani change in x since la always ku-90 degrees kanje since kuyi-vertical height le angithi akusiye landing height straight shuthi kuno-90 la. Uma ufuna le length la uzothini just ukuthi uthathe le length le ungabi amaningi shuthi uzosebenzisa yiphi i-trig ratio u-cos noma u-tan noma u-sin. Mawuthi sin ithi opposite over hypotenuse kusho ukuthini sin theta is equal to opposite wethu ku-3 over bani so ibiza ngani change in x, then change in x equal to 3 over sin theta kukanje. Then change in x then sisubstitute la kuba 3 over sin 3 over sin theta u-theta lo esikhuluma ngayo. Then iqhubeke ithini bese ithi cos u-theta imuphi-ke lo osumfaka i-object yethu angithi lo theta usuke ngena la kuyimuphi u-theta lo between i-displacement ekhavarishiwe nani nelokhu njani ne-direction ye-force. Displacement ekhavarishiwe iya phezulu i-force Fg parallel uya downward. Angle between them is 180 degrees angle along a straight line shuthi 180 degrees plus work done by friction kuzoba yini i-force ye-friction u-18 times change in x oku-3 over sin lo theta lo. Then just uthini ibhale kahle kuzoba u-5 times 9.8 sin theta times 3 sin theta cos 180 degrees plus just ukuthi le part le inga-confuse siqhubeka la. Then siya substitute sesekwi work done by frictional force. Frictional force is 18 Newton times change in x over bese kuba u-cos i-angle between in any direction displacement iyakuphi iya-upward. Then still nayo ilokhu njani i-frictional force iya downward shuthi angle between them angle along straight line. Khani sesiya kuya ngale kwi-right hand side. Right hand side yethu ithini ithi ikanje it's 1 over 2 mv final squared. Then uzokubona automatically ukuthi leli side leli lizola no 0 y i-final velocity suke seyiwu 0 1 over 2 u-0 squared minus 1 over 2 uv initial wethu-ke u-9.90 all squared kanje. Then le part le isiba u-0 shuthi sisele nale part engapha then just ukuthi uyithole kuzoba okay just ukuthi si multiply la. Then if multiply la uyabona ukuthi i-like term le i-like term nale ilo kuzoba bazodividana la all two shuthi le divide by le number le then iyasuka lo, then nangu theta wethu sasele still, kusho ukuthi okusele la sizomultiply lokhu ke, then siqale sithi 18 times 3 cos 180 degrees over sin theta is equal to, since laba sebedividene shuthi sekusele kuyini lokhu inumber yonke, shuthi sekuyinumber nje sesingayitranspose ngale la bengi-arrange lokhu kwe-numerator nakho usele bani ngale minus 1/2 okuyi-initial velocity le, then masitranspose lezi side elingapha sitranspose ubani upositive konke lokho okula kwe-numerator. 5 times 9.8 multiplied by 3 cos 180 degrees, then emva kwala sesithola bani, sithola utheta wethu, then into esizoyenza ke la it's either we are inverter lokhu kokubili, shuthi masu-inverter kuzoba yiloku, then usin theta over lo, bese kuba ubani la, ngithi over 1 konke since kuyinumber la over 1 uzoba u1 over lokhu, then futhi answer yakho izolingana nobani, izolingana no 18 times 3 cos 80 lokhu kuzobe seku-denominator. Then ithola le angle, then utheta wethu equal to 33.43 degrees, then then ula ungayisolve ngendlela yakho, uqala uphanje le calculator then you cross multiply until ufike kwi-angle yakho, shift sign uthole i-angle yakho okade kuyidinga kuwutheta, uyena theta wethu lo.